I've got a great recipe for all you brat lovers out there, and it puts a twist on it by putting them on a stick. Check it out. It's a simple recipe. Cut up all your favorite vegetables that you'd like to put on that kebab stick with your brats. A little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, umami from burlap and barrel to add it a little extra seasoning. And I want to add a little bit of oil because the veggies are going to need them to not stick on the grill. You want to flip them over so that the other side gets it too, just like that. And now our brat kebabs are ready for that grill. The grill is nice and hot. We've got our brat kebabs ready to go on. Looking good, firing up. These don't take that long to cook, especially if you're using EBELS brats, because EBELS brats are already smoked, and so they're already fully cooked. So they're just heat and eat. So you really don't have to worry about long times on the grill when you use EBELS. I love them. I like to wiggle them around a little bit, and you probably shouldn't be using your hands like I am, but I have Teflon fingers. My husband calls them asbestos hands. Do not try this at home. Moving things around when they're on the grill is a good idea while you're keeping them on the same side, because grills have a tendency to have uneven heating. So move them around, keep them cooking. Now that they're looking pretty good and sizzly, I'm going to go ahead and give them a turn, just like that. Oh, they are gorgeous. We're getting those nice grill marks and grill flavoring. That's the nice thing about grilling, is that you get that aroma from the grill that no other cooking will give you. Oh, they are so amazing. And they are ready to come off the grill. Wow. Can you see that? Look at how pretty. This recipe smells as good as it looks. Isn't it wonderful? Check out this recipe and more at EBELS.